Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and open Apps. Now in Apps, click on this filter icon and then turn on Show System Apps. After that, scroll down and here open SIM toolkit and then go to the storage of SIM toolkit. Now clear the app data and cache memory of SIM toolkit. Now click on delete and then go back to apps and here open messages. Now go to the storage of messages and now clear the app data and cache memory of messages.